All right, welcome back to another edition of GHL Tech Training. My name is Joel Ketty, and here for Extendly to talk about some high-level tech. Last week, we talked about the affiliate manager. We did part one of the affiliate manager, and so today we're going to do part two. Hey, welcome, Louis or Louis.
Louis is perfectly fine.
Perfect. How's it going?
I'm doing good, man. Thank you. And yourself?
Awesome. I am doing well. Thanks. I'm just gonna get. I gotta get my screen shared here.
No worries.
Always trying to find the right windows with all the tabs open, right?
Man, I run with that same problem. It's like I've got three screens, and then each of those things has got too many other things open. It's not always the easiest thing.
All right, screen share loading.
Excuse me for a sec.
No problem.
The wife and the two-year-old are walking in, so I have to close the door.
No worries. All right, so today we are I'm talking about the affiliate manager. So last week we went over the basics of how to set up a campaign, all the settings and everything around that. Today we're going to dive back into the affiliate manager for part two, and I'm going to kind of walk through some stuff on the different ways of adding affiliates and then how to manage your payouts. So here's what we're going to go over today. There's a bunch of different ways to add affiliates. So we'll talk about how to add them manually, how to add them in bulk, how to import existing contacts in your account as an affiliate. And then also, this is something fairly new, how to automate adding affiliates to your campaigns. We'll do an overview of the data that you have on your affiliates, how to add them into a campaign, and then we'll get into how the payouts work, approving and denying payouts, and then exporting them so that you can do your payouts. All right, so let's jump in, and I'm just going to switch my screen over to jump back into the payout stuff after, and we'll jump into the demo account here.
Hey, Joel, have they done anything with respect to gamifying? Like having a like a leaderboard and competition and all that?
For like the affiliate side of things?
Yeah.
No, not really. The only really sort of built-in leaderboards is in the agent reporting, which is, more like a sales team kind of thing.
Mm-hmm. Okay. I had a customer ask about that, so.
Gotcha. Yeah, nothing in the affiliate manager yet. It's still fairly new, so they're still rolling out some features I kind of talked about last week on some of the stuff that is kind of missing compared to some other affiliate programs out there, like a First Promoter. And the two main ones for me that I'm waiting for to make this really competitive are automated payouts. So right now, and we'll get into that, it's a bit of a manual process. And then having a client portal or an affiliate portal where they can actually log in and see their own information, their commissions, their leads, et cetera, right? So that's not available currently.
Okay. Gotcha.
So let's jump in here on affiliates. And so this is my demo account here, and I've got some screenshots we'll go over when it comes to the actual payout stuff, because I took some screenshots from an actual live account, because the demo account doesn't have any of that in here. So we talked about how to create campaigns and adding campaigns and all of that. So now we'll jump into the affiliates. So again, you can find the affiliate manager under marketing, and then you go to affiliate manager here, and then you'll just hover over it and go down to affiliates. There we go. And it's loading. I've got a couple test affiliates in here. So there's a few different ways that you can actually add affiliates into the affiliate manager. And the first one is just to do it manually. So you click add over here and you go new affiliate. And then you see you have three required fields. So you need a first name, last name, and an email. I do recommend, to make your payouts easier, that when you are having affiliates sign on, ask for their PayPal email. Because that's going to be the easiest way to do the payouts without having to then coordinate after the fact if that's not the correct email for them. So get their PayPal emails, and so you'll have to put that information in here when you're adding them. So just fill this in, name, email, first name, last name, email, and then you click add affiliate and they're in. Okay. The second option is you can upload your affiliates in bulk. So if you're, say, migrating maybe from another system over to the HighLevel Affiliate Manager, you can export your leads or your affiliates from one program and then upload them here in bulk. So you can do it right from here, adding affiliates in bulk, upload CSV, or from that add button, there is the upload affiliates option as well. So it's going to be very similar to, say, uploading contacts to a system. There's a sample file you can download so you can see how to format it properly and what information that you need. So you can download that and then add your contacts to that and then upload that file. So pretty straightforward. Upload a file. I've got the affiliate sample file that I downloaded and just click next. It's going to ask you again, just like contacts, to map the fields. So you'll map all of those fields from your form into the system here. You'll give the import a name. You can go down to advanced here. And again, this is very, very similar to uploading contacts. So you can either add new and update existing ones, just add new, or just update existing affiliates. And then you'll probably want to stick to finding them based on email, and then you'll submit, and that will then load your affiliates in bulk. Okay. Another option that you can have is if you have the contact already in your system. So they're already a contact in the sub account that your affiliate manager is in. You can actually import those contacts into the affiliate manager. So your contacts and your affiliates are two separate systems, but you can import them if you'd like. It makes it a lot easier if they're already part of your sub account. So you can just go to that add button once again, click import from contacts. It'll pull up a list of contacts here. You can search. You can filter by tag. So if you have pre-tagged them as affiliates, you could come in here and maybe look for that affiliate tag and filter them so you can find those. And then you can select all or just select the ones that you want. And let's say we want, these first three here. And once you've selected them, then you go down here and you click the import button. And then that will import them into the affiliate manager. Now it says it'll take a few minutes. It's usually pretty quick. And there it is. So you can see we've got those new contacts in here, and they're already added in automatically. The other way that you can add affiliates in, and you can do this kind of in an automated way now, and I kind of got this set up ready for today. I just created a quick, easy little workflow here. So there are some new actions in the workflows that have to do with the affiliate manager. So one of those is to add somebody to the affiliate manager, and then the other one is to add to an affiliate campaign. So you can have a form that your affiliates would sign up for, again, very similar to like a first promoter where there's a form that they go in to fill out and sign up to be an affiliate. You can do something similar and then have it completely automated now. So you can have a form set up, use that as your trigger, gather that information that you need, minimum of, again, first name, last name, email, and then trigger off of that form being submitted. And then you've got this action. There's nothing to do here except add the action into the workflow, and it just adds them into the affiliate manager. And then from there, you can do another one as well, which is add to campaign. So if you have different forms for different campaigns, you can automate adding them into those campaigns as well and not have to go in and do that manually. So you can select which campaign here. I just have the two, the demo one, and then the SaaS services one that I set up on the previous session. So to find those, you would just go to add action and then just type in affiliate manager. You'll see there's a few different ones here. Add to affiliate manager, update the affiliate, add to a campaign, or remove from a campaign. So you can also automate removing them, for example, by either adding or removing a tag as one way that you could trigger that. And the update affiliate one is just to mark them either as an active affiliate or an inactive affiliate. It doesn't update their information. It just is a way to change their affiliate status, basically. All right, so that is pretty much it as far as adding affiliates. So you can automate adding them to the campaigns. The other way that you would add them to a campaign is that you would go to the campaigns and you would open up that campaign, and then you would come here to add affiliate and then select any affiliates from this list that you are not already part of that campaign. So that's how you would manually add them. But you can also, again, do it all automated, upload a CSV, take that, new list of contacts you've uploaded into your affiliate manager, automate adding them into a campaign, or if you want, set up a form and that can automate the process as well. So next, let me just double check and make sure that covered. Okay, automating, the overview of the affiliate's data, right? Before we move on to payouts, let's look at the affiliate data. So what information do you have about an affiliate? So if we click on one of the affiliates, we'll just use me as an example here. This is sort of your basic affiliate screen here. So you can see how much revenue they've generated, how much is owed, how much has been paid, how many leads they have, how many customers they have, and then how many have canceled. The other stuff that you can see as well is up here, you can see the campaigns that they are tied to. And this is actually, if you hear from somebody, for example, and I've had this happen in the earlier days where they didn't get the email with their link. And because there is no current affiliate portal for them to log into, they have no way of accessing their affiliate link to share to then earn commissions on your program. So for you to go in and get that for them, you just click on the affiliate name in the list. And then right here under campaigns, you're just going to pick the campaign and it will then display their unique link off to the side. So you can grab that for them and provide that if they're missing it for some reason. So that's pretty much it. We don't have any customers or anything in here to see the data. So now let's hop into the payouts. And I'm actually going to just move over to some screenshots I have from an actual account that has data in it, because this is all blank and you can't really see too much with that. So we'll hop back over here to my presentation and we'll bring that up. All right. So if you have any pending payouts, this is what the screen's going to look like. I've blocked out, private information here, but you can see here that it tells you the payout month and the amount that's owed. So it'll list their name and email here as well. From here, you would approve. I think when you hover over it, there's a little button here that will pop up that says approve for payout. So you can approve the payouts. And then once you do, you'll have a list of approved payouts. And it'll tell you when these are due, what the payout month is, what the amount is. So this one's due in a month. This was due 3 days ago. So I've just actually exported those and made those payments. And once you've done that as well, then you will move over to see the ones that have been paid. And again, it just kind of shows you who the affiliate is, what the payout month was, when they were paid, and the amount that was owed to them. If you need to deny payouts for any reason, you can do that. I did have some incorrectly attributed payouts here just from doing some testing. One of these was actually, I think it was a test that I had run and it attributed to one of my affiliates. And so if you do need to deny any payouts for any reason, you do have that ability. And you would just click on the pending. You can deny the payout. I think if you click those 3 dots, there's a little drop down and you have the option to deny the payout. And this is what the deny screen looks like. It tells you the amount that was denied. The other thing that you can do as well is you can click on the 3 dots. There's an option there to view the commissions. And so you can actually see which customer that commission came from for that affiliate. So it's showing here, there's $149.10. That was an approved payout. And the affiliate's customer information is here. So that's how you can also kind of get some more details about that commission so that you can decide whether or not you need to approve or deny it. And so that's how I found it. I had somehow been attributed to an affiliate and I came in here and saw that here. And so I denied that payout. I don't want to pay them unnecessarily. So that's about it for payouts. Once you have your approved payouts, I'm going to hop back over here. So once you've got your approved payouts, you can then export the payouts. And this is where it's lacking a little bit in the features compared to some of the other programs that are out there. There is no way to automate this. I've heard that it's coming, as well as the affiliate portal that is on the roadmap. I don't know exactly when that is. I'm hoping in the next few months. But for now, what you will have to do is go to your approved payouts and you'll actually click this button here to export them. And that will give you a CSV file. And then you would go to PayPal mass payout or mass payment. And this is kind of how you would do that. I'm not going to walk through the steps here, but just Google PayPal mass payments, and you can essentially upload a list. So you'll export it from HighLevel from your sub account. You'll go to the PayPal account and you will upload your list, and you'll be able to do a mass payment and pay out multiple people all at once. So it does make it a little more simple than having to manually pay out one at a time. But I do look forward to automated payouts from HighLevel directly, where you'll be able to just automate the entire process. When they hit that threshold, the payouts can go out for you. Okay, I think that pretty much covers it as far as payouts, exporting, approving, denying, how they work, all that fun stuff. So I'm going to leave it there. If there's any questions, Lewis, it looks like says you're connecting to audio, so I'm not sure if you're still there or not. But let me just double check the Facebook chat. It's just stuck on connecting to audio. So I don't know if you can hear me or not, Lewis. But if you do get connected in the next minute or so, and if you have any questions about the affiliate manager, definitely let me know. If you're watching this on a replay in the Facebook group, definitely comment down below if you have any questions about any of this stuff, and I'm happy to answer for you. Otherwise, I'll just wait another minute here, and then we'll end the call there. And it looks like Lewis is still having trouble connecting here. So yeah, like I said, if you have any questions, drop them down in the chat below in the Facebook group. Tag me, because sometimes Facebook's finicky with notifying me that there's a comment. So definitely make sure to tag me in the group, and I'm happy to come back and respond to any comments or answer any questions. Otherwise, I will see you back here next week, next Wednesday at 1 p.m. Pacific, 4 p.m. Eastern. And we'll hop on to another topic in high-level tech training. All right, thank you for joining today, and we'll see you next week.
Want to learn Go High Level in a structured format? Check out the gohighlevel.com by Extendly. We guarantee to save you 6 months of wasted subscription costs for HighLevel. Just visit the gohighlevel.com.